Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Huawei Y7 Prime. So this phone has an internal storage of 32 GB and 3 GB of RAM and Aurora blue color. And this is what the box looks like from the outside. And the next thing we'll do is unbox this with our unboxing knife. The phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, which is built on a 14 nanometer process, and that is suitably right for mid-range phones. The Snapdragon 450 is an octa-core 1.8 GHz and a Cortex A53 architecture with Adreno 506 GPU. This is what the phone looks like, and on first look, the phone is very impressive in its Aurora blue color. And for now, we'll be keeping the phone aside and going to see what is inside the box. These are some paperwork, so we'll leave that aside, and then we'll go ahead and see some paperwork. And this is the charger that we get with the box. This is a 5 volt 2 amp charger, which results in 10 watt of charging, which isn't very fast, and also it isn't very slow. The next thing we'll be looking at is the USB cable inside this. So the USB cable is a micro USB one. We were expecting for a USB type C, but we didn't get it. Anyway, moving on with the unboxing, we'll be trying to have a more detailed look at the phone itself, and let's get the sticker out of the way and turn the phone on. So the display of the phone is about 6.26 inches, which is an LCD display, and the resolution of the display is 720 to 1520 pixels with 269 pixels per inch. The phone runs Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with EMUI 8.2. I'll be doing a more detailed look in the weeks coming, and this has been it. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.